Welcome back to AM Automotive, where we showcase the most luxurious and exclusive vehicles in the world. And today, we are stepping into a dream on wheels, the 2026 Rolls-Royce luxury motorhome concept. This is not just a motorhome, it is a moving Rolls-Royce mansion. From the outside, the design is elegant, powerful, and unmistakably Rolls-Royce. The front features a massive illuminated grille, inspired by the spirit of ecstasy, paired with slim laser LED headlights that give it a commanding presence. The body design is smooth and minimal, finished in signature two-tone paint, creating a perfect blend of luxury and authority on the road. The sheer size of this luxury motorhome makes it look like a private yacht on wheels. Large panoramic windows run along the sides, while the rear opens into a private lounge space when parked. Every exterior detail is designed to offer privacy, elegance, and exclusivity. Step inside, and the experience becomes unreal. The interior feels like a five-star hotel suite. The new Lock ultra-luxury interior is handcrafted using the finest leather, rare wood veneers, polished metal, and soft ambient lighting. The cabin is completely silent, thanks to advanced sound insulation, giving you the famous Rolls-Royce magic carpet ride, even while standing still. The living area features plush sofa seating that transforms into a formal lounge or dining area. A hidden OLED display rises smoothly from the wall, while premium surround sound creates a private cinema experience. The lighting automatically adjusts based on time and mood, creating a calming atmosphere throughout the cabin. The kitchen area is fully concealed and revealed only when needed. It includes a luxury refrigerator, induction cooking surface, espresso machine, and handcrafted storage units. Everything opens and closes silently, maintaining the peaceful environment Rolls-Royce is known for. Moving toward the bedroom, you'll find a full-size luxury bed with premium mattress and silk-finished upholstery. The bedroom offers complete privacy, with smart glass windows that change from transparent to opaque instantly. Storage is intelligently hidden within the walls, keeping the space clean and elegant. The bathroom is equally breathtaking. It features a walk-in shower, luxury wash basin, premium fittings, and hotel-grade finishes. Even the bathroom lighting and temperature can be controlled digitally. In terms of performance, the 2026 Rolls-Royce luxury motorhome concept is expected to use an advanced electric or hybrid powertrain. The focus is not speed, but smoothness and silence. Power delivery is effortless, allowing the motorhome to glide on the road with absolute comfort. Adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride regardless of road conditions. Technology plays a major role in this concept. The motorhome is fully connected, allowing control of lighting, climate, entertainment, and security through a central touchscreen or voice commands. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, and autonomous parking support. Since this is a concept vehicle, Rolls-Royce has not announced official pricing. However, if this luxury motorhome ever reaches production, experts estimate a price well above $1 million, depending on customization. This is a vehicle designed for billionaires, celebrities, and royalty. In the end, the 2026 Rolls-Royce luxury motorhome concept is not about travel. It is about arriving in absolute perfection. It represents the future of ultra-luxury living on wheels,